Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We'll be making a glam crystal vase with a spring floral centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. This is from eFavorMart. I also have some picks. I've got silver eucalyptus and a champagne laurel leaves. And these are also from eFavorMart. eFavorMart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have eFavorMart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these fishbowl vases. You'll need some of these little plastic appetizer plates. You'll need a glass candle holder plate. I've got floral foam. And I have a champagne flute as well. If you can't find one that you like at Dollar Tree, you could check Goodwill. I've got different kinds of florals here from Dollar Tree. Got this pink with chartreuse, white, bright pink, and then the blush pink as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Also, if I add any additional items, I will put those in the description box below for you guys as well. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam crystal vase and centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know you like this kind of glam home decor so I can make more of them. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.